Hello, fellow travelers, and welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, Cynthia, with Right Recipe for Travel, and I would just like to say thank you so much for joining us today. I have been inspired to start Right Recipe for Travel, and I'd like to give some shout outs to some wonderful content creators, vloggers who I watch on YouTube all the time, who have really inspired me to go ahead and finally start the channel that I've been wanting to do for such a long time. This channel is dedicated to travel and what it would take to add all the ingredients to give it that right recipe. What does it take if you have, let's say, a large party, which we do all the time? What would it take to give you the right recipe if you're traveling with older adults? What would it take to give you the right recipe if you're going to an amusement park? If you're traveling cruising, if you're headed to Vegas, if you're going on a road trip, what would it take to give you that right recipe? So I've watched wonderful content creators, and I'd just like to mention a few. Tony from La Lido Loca, say that fast 3 times, really inspired us to go ahead and start our channel. But there's so many others that we just like to say thank you so much for giving us wonderful content, for inspiring us, and for delivering great, inspirational, uplifting, funny, and informative videos about travel. So thank you so much for joining this channel. Let's get ready to go on our adventures to add the right recipe.